Now let's see how we can view a commit. We talked about this briefly in the previous section, but let's explore it in a bit more detail now. So let's say we want to view this commit over here. There are two ways to reference this commit. We can use the commit ID, or we can use a relative reference using the head pointer. So as you can see, head is in front of the last commit, and this commit we're interested in is 2 commits before the last commit. So we can type git show head tilde 2. That means go to the head, which is the last commit, and then go 2 steps back. So here we can see all the details about this commit. We can see the commit ID or commit hash, the author of the commit, the date and time, the subject, and a diff of every file that is changed in this commit. In this case, only a single file has been changed, and that is this file over here, stagingchanges.txt. In this file, we have 2 new lines, as you can see over here. Now, what if we don't want to see the changes? We want to see the final version of a file in this commit. Well, we bring up the last command, then we add a colon, and here we type the path to our file. So this file we're interested in is in a directory called sections. Here we have another directory called creating-snapshots, and our file is called staging-changes.txt. So here's the final version of this file stored in this commit. Now, what if we don't want to see the actual changes or the actual lines of code in this commit? We just want to see the files that have been modified in this commit. Well, we type git show head tilde 2, and then we use an option called name-only. So over here, we can see all the files that have been added, modified, or deleted in this commit. With this option, we can only see the name of the files, so we cannot tell which files have been added, modified, or deleted. To get that information, we have to use a different option called name-status. So now we have the letter M here, which means this file has been modified.